Okay, I think we are here. Yes. Yep. Yes. Okay. Now we active. Now we active. But first, before we start the tournament, we gotta talk about gold, as always. So last week, what happened last week? Like I said, we had this zone smart cap in gold. Nothing changed yet. Um, Gold still has not been able to close above 4,030, which is this line right here. You see how we've been weakening, right? Every time we get close, we're coming down. Every time we try to come close to closing here, we come down. So yeah, we're still in the range. So what I'm doing right now, every time we find like a support zone, that's what I'm trying to buy. I don't want to sell off the resistance. Ideally, I want to see price. I still think we're gonna be taking these lows before coming up again, but I guess we have to see. The EMAs are getting flat and close to each other, which means that we are in a consolidation, a range. I mean, you don't need EMAs to see that, but yeah. And I believe that's what's going to happen. We're going to continue in this range. Price is going to correct itself. We had a big drop a couple of weeks ago, so it's just normal that this is happening. First time I'm seeing Adrian. You never seen me before, bro. Damn, bro. I'm the content creator. I'm usually a Evans. Who the fuck is it? Oh, Evans is the other guy. You didn't receive the account. The account are sent on Tuesdays. So if you didn't receive the account, we gotta talk to Andre. He's the one who's sending the accounts, I think. You guys have any questions on gold so far? Dark race? No, we don't do no dark race here, man. No dark race. But yeah, if we go down to the M30, let's see what we have right now. So we found the same resistance as always. We could say potentially this could be our new support zone right here. And this could potentially be the new resistance, right? So on M30 we have these two zones right now. So we have this one and this one, if it makes sense. There's still nothing I will trade right now. I think most of the moves that I've been getting are from Asia. So right now I'm not seeing too much. So since I'm not seeing too much on lower time frame, I just like to go to H4 or even daily and just wait. See the daily, it's not looking bad at all, but still we have some consolidation. See that the daily is looking kind of like a W pattern right here, right? But let's see what happens. Hello Mon, hello Navin, how to join the competition. I will start the competition in a little bit. Not yet. We're gonna be talking about gold right now. What's your opinion on AUD CAD? I'm not too sure. I don't think I trade this gold, unfortunately. So hello JW Avidan. There's a giveaway today. Yes. So what we do on Thursday with me, we're doing a trading tournament. That's what we're doing. I think gold will about go. We have to go up for correction. Yes, I think so too. The only problem is that I don't know when. I don't trade AUD CAD, bro. Only gold. Hello, Carthy. How are you? Have you guys traded today or this week? How to join competition? You already asked that question, bro. Where are you? What do you mean? I'm here. I'm here. Do you think it's a good buy setup right now? No. Right now, I think we probably gonna go down a little bit. As you can see, this is my resistance zone. We just bounce off it. So I wouldn't buy right now because I don't know how much more we can drop before we can continue going up. If I go to M30, you see this candle is weakened. We have 5 minutes for this M30 candle to close. M15 looks like this. So yeah, it's not looking the best to buy right now, if that makes sense. During last week's competition, I opened and closed a trade on gold, but right after that, I was automatically removed from the competition. How can I fix this issue? Andy, can you tell me what time frame were you trading? Because you have a time limit of 5 minutes, but you also have a bar limit of 5,000. So the higher the time frame you use, the more bars you are using. If that makes sense. Gold is in a small consolidation range. I think that's a pretty big range. I mean, we've been here since when? The 27th of October. And before that, we was in this other range since the 21st. So, yeah, we've been here for a while. No problem. Just, it's just gotta be patient with gold. I don't like selling, and if you see my stats with trading, most of my losses comes from try to sell. I don't know how to sell, especially when the main trend is bullish. So I just like to buy for opportunities to buy. Like above here, not yesterday, but above here, I had some buys here today, and right now I just gotta wait. I only trade basically, for the most part, I trade Asian session. I don't like trading the market open. I like to wait, give it like 2-3 hours for the market to, show me what it's trying to do, and then I like to react to what the market is showing me. How much funding do you have with profits right now? I have 200,000. I have like 450K accounts on futures. Um, I just got paid last week, and right now I'm just building up the accounts. And I'm thinking on getting a 100K CFDs account. But yeah, my main goal right now is I want to scale maximum allocation with futures on all the profits that I can. And then with CFDs, the difference between futures and CFDs. Futures is basically like a one-step account because you only have one phase, but you also have a trading drawdown. Some futures profit don't give you a daily drawdown, but still you have a trading drawdown. You have, for the most part, you have consistency rules, and yeah, that's basically it. It's like a one-step account. So it's good if you build the momentum, and once you build the caution, like for example, on a 50K account, once I'm above $2,000 profit, I can just make as much as I want, and I don't have to care about the trading drawdown, right? But what I really like about CFDs, I like to trade on a normal, For me, obviously, maybe you guys don't trade it, but I like 100K accounts because yes, doing a challenge it can be hard. It doesn't mean that you always want to pass it, but once you pass the account, you have a lot of freedom, right? If I don't want to take a trade, or let's say I have a good day today. If I have a good day today and I make 1% or 2%, I can literally place 0.01 lot size for the next days, for the minimum trading days, and just wait for my payout. That's it. That's all I gotta do. So it's a lot of freedom that, for example, if you are trading on a futures account, you cannot do that, right? So that's why I like CFDs as well. And also, if you are in drawdown on a CFDs account, which being in drawdown is part of being a trader. Like you're not always gonna win. You don't have to worry about having a trading drawdown. Like right now on futures on my 50K account, if I was to go back to break even, I would probably lose my account because of the trading drawdown. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I like to have a mix of both. Can ThinkCapital bring futures? That's a great question. I don't know, man. It would be nice though. I like futures. It would be interesting. I actually want to ask them. I want to see what they say about that because it would be nice to have a future, prop firm. And I think it's possible. No, I don't know. Let's see. Which one is easier for you to pass, CFDs or futures prop firm? I think I did so far like seven challenges in total with futures. Maybe I think I passed six. So for the most part, I passed basically all my prop firms, all my challenges with futures. But maybe from those six accounts that I had, I only had payouts with four. I think it's easier to get funded with futures, but it's harder to make it to the payout. And with CFDs, it's harder to pass the challenge, but it's easier to get the payout, right? So that's just my opinion. I don't know I don't know if one of you guys have used it before, but that's how I feel about it. See if this is better. Yeah. Futures equal one step challenge. Yeah. It's very similar to be honest. Very, very similar. Like a lot, yeah, the same thing. You know what the problem is? See, for the people who said to buy gold now, see what I'm saying? How it's dropping. For the people, the main problem that I see with people buying one-step accounts, and I say this from my experience because I used to work as support before for another prop firm that is no longer here with us. I'm not gonna say the name, but you guys need to read the rules. One of the main issues from not passing challenges or not making the payouts is because people just be buying accounts, and unfortunately, right now it's not like back in time like 2 years ago where all the prop firms are basically the same, like same rules, similar everything. Right now a lot of prop firms have different rules to and different account types. So you need to like really understand which account you buy. One of the main problems I saw is the first time the prop firms brought the one-step accounts, people didn't bother to read the rules. So yes, some people understood that we have a trading drawdown, but they didn't fully understand it. So they would be like, I was in profits and then I went in a little bit of drawdown and I lost that account, but I didn't lose 6%. It's like, yeah, bro, but you made profit, you have a trading drawdown, and then you lost profit. So, you know, the trading drawdown was catching up. And also, a big mistake that I see when trading one-step accounts is, for the most part, once you make, I believe it's 6% profit or more, your trading drawdown is stuck at initial balance, right? So that means that if you want to make a payout, right, on your fund account with one step, if you want to make a payout and you take a payout with all the account, all the amount, let's say you're up on a 100K account one step, $7,000, 7%, and you want to take a payout of 7%, that means that you're taking everything from your account. So your account is going to be at a initial balance. So that means that from initial balance to your drawdown, there's no space. So that means that once you take that payout, your account is breached. So a lot of people didn't understand that. You know what I'm saying? So is that the prop firm's fault or is the traders? That's the traders. Futures firm don't reject bigger payouts. You know the thing, right? A lot of futures prop firms still deny payouts, but in the sense that some of them they still have like risk interviews. Some of them also have like more strict rules, so they will reject your payout just because you didn't fully um, completed all the steps that you needed. For example, with well, I'm not gonna say the name, but one of the main futures prop firm, I think, on once you fund it, you have a 20% consistency rule. So if you are not fulfilling the 20% consistency rule, then you are getting your payout denied. So it can still happen. It happens sometimes. There's still issues, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, trading danger for me, yeah, danger for everyone. Sí, hablo español también. Do you speak Spanish? Sí, hablo español también. Ángel Risco Velázquez. But yeah, this is everything that I think from prop firms. Do you guys have any more questions for about prop firms or whatever you want to know about ThinkCapital, about the whole industry, about gold? Just let me know, man. At the end of the day, I've been working in the trading industry since 2020, not too long ago, 2023, like 2 years ago. I started with one of the biggest, prop firms, and then things happen, and they're no longer here with us. But yeah, bro, do you have a live futures account? No, so I'm funded with futures, but I never had a funded account. I never had like the maximum payouts that I had with one account was like three, but I never had. I think, for example, with I'm not gonna say the name, but the futures account that I use, the prop firm, I think after you get five payouts with that account, you are eligible to be a live trader. Yes, I've been trading on personal account too. Actually, 2 weeks 2 weeks ago, I was trading before gold dropped. I was trading with my life, and I started with like 400 pounds, $400, and I was just flipping it like from 400 to 1,000, 1,600. Then I withdraw money and then do it over again. And I was having fun, but I think for me right now, I just want to invest into having maximum capital with prop firms and making a lot of money with that. And once I'm making a lot of money with that, then reinvest some of that money into a live account. That's my thought process. We didn't receive the account yet from last stream. The accounts are usually sent on Tuesdays. If you didn't receive the accounts, you need to talk to Andre. Andre is the one who's sending the account. So whenever you guys win an account, I just send your emails to Andre from Perú, de Perú. ¿Qué hora es ahí? Son las 9, ¿no? Así, las 8. Can you do swing trading in futures? I heard that you can. The thing with futures is that you gotta close your trades before the market close. So for me, 5 p.m. EST is when the market closes. So no, you cannot really do swing trading. I believe you can hold trades, but you're gonna have to close it eventually. Before the market closes. So yeah, with CFDs, yes, you can do swing trading. Okay, let me set up the the tournament. Oh, tenemos la misma hora. Qué bueno, entonces. Yo que estoy aquí en Miami, entonces bueno, pero no sabía si era la misma hora o una hora similar. Who's ready for the tournament? Who is ready? Tournament ended. Create. Let me share screen though. I got allergies, man. Got allergies, man. Okay, let me share screen. What is it here? Share something else. Here. Okay. So ThinkCapital contest. Private. Well, all of you guys already know how to use it, right? Para ser embajador de la empresa, ¿qué se debe hacer, brother? ¿Embajador como afiliado, dices? ¿O a qué te refieres con embajador? No sé qué significa embajador. I hope I don't get last place again, man. Be careful. Emma, nobody you won already, man. How to participate in the tournament? I will send the link here and on Discord so you guys can check it out. So, password is gonna be gold. We're gonna be trading gold. 100K account. Yes. 5 minutes. Maximum drawdown is gonna be 10%. Create tournament. Okay, I don't have the ThinkCapital YouTube account on me, so I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna send it on Discord first. Okay, so on the community lounge. everyone join the tournament. Today we are only doing one since you guys already know how to use it, how to use the page. So only gonna be doing one. Join the tournament. Here. Password. Code. Make sure to also be watching the stream. Okay. The stream link is this one, I think. It better be. Finally, you how to pick up your accent. Where do you think my accent is, bro? What do you think I'm from? Link, please. Yeah, I'm sharing the link first on Discord. 1 sec. Hold on. Let me just share the. You guys wanna have to copy and paste it. If you guys wanna just have the link where you can click on it, you guys gonna have to do it on Discord because I don't have the YouTube account to share the link. Password. Go. Link in. What was the competition about? So we're gonna be running a trading tournament. It's gonna be one. We're doing this tournament on Chart Champs, which is a website for back testing and doing tournaments for fun. But yeah, so it's gonna be trading gold only. You have a 10% maximum drawdown. You have a 5-minute limit, and you have a 5,000 bar limit. How many people are we already? Damn, we already 14. Okay, let's wait. Who is joining? Who is joining? Ready to win? Kian, are you gonna win this time, or are you gonna come fourth? I think Kian is gonna come fourth again, so he's not gonna win. Kian from Ireland. Who is gonna win today? We're gonna have 3 winners max. Emma is in, bro. Emma, are you gonna win this time, bro? Hello, OG Trader. How are you? How to join? I'll share the link on Discord already. Here's the link too. That's the link. En lo personal yo solo opero oro. Sí, yo igual, tío, solo oro. Hay instantes como socio que te den descuentos para tu comunidad. Bueno, tienes que enviarle un correo a la que se encarga de eso y todo también depende de cuánta gente tienes en tu comunidad y tal, ¿sabes? I'm winning today. Yeah, bro, I'm winning today. Hey. Okay, let's do this. If Emma loses, she is gonna buy someone an account. So we're gonna have 4 winners. I think that sounds good. We're gonna have 4 winners because if she loses, she has to buy someone an account. Is it possible to participate a second time? You can participate, but I don't think you can win. You know, it's not gonna be fair. So you can participate for fun, but you cannot win twice. I never won. Keeping my fingers crossed today. No, don't keep your fingers crossed. You need to use your fingers to make some money. Are we ready? How many people are we today? 24. Okay. Let me announce. Verify. Let me do a last call on Discord for anyone who want to join. right now. Stream. Okay. This for a 10K account? Yes. 10K account, bro. Oh, it's Emmanuel. It's not Emma, bro. Damn, I thought it was Emmanuel. Damn. Let's go gambling here for sure, bro. Let's go gambling. I came third the first time, then on 2 winners picked. Yeah, now I'm doing just 3 winners. Sorry, man. We're at 26. 2 more minutes and we start. 2 more minutes and we start. Also, for everyone who's participating, make sure you're watching the live stream. Make sure you are commenting, spamming the comments. Make sure you are liking the stream, a thumbs up. And yeah. And if you want, you can always share it with your friends. If you're having fun, if you like it, share it with your friends so they can participate as well. This practice, no practice today. We're going to war. We're going to war right now. We don't have any practice. Talking about practice? I have an audio for you. Talking about practice?
If I can't practice, I can't practice, man. I'm hurt.
Oh, where's the audio?
If I can't practice, I can't practice. It's not about that at all. You know what I'm saying? I mean, but it's easy to talk about. It's easy to sum it up.
Time
if
to
I can't practice, I can't practice.
You can practice, man. There's no practice today. If you can practice, you can practice.
I mean, simple as that. It ain't about that.
How many people? Oh, 31. Okay. We are about to start in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. This is no trial. This is the real deal. So if you win, you get the account. There's no practice. This is no practice.
Franchise player, and we talking about practice. I mean, listen, we talking about practice. Not a game. We talking about practice. Not a game. Not the game that I go out there and
there's no practice today, bro. No practice. Okay. Time is up. Time is up. Hold on 1 second. Let me get water. We back. We are so back. We are so back. And I'm about to start right now, bro. Let me get a bit of water so I'm ready. Okay. But before we start, I need to know, and I need you guys to tell me, what happens if I win? What do I get? If I win, if I come first, do I keep all the 3 accounts for me? Look, what I see is if I win, I keep all 3 accounts and I do 6. No. Yeah, and I do 6 accounts for next week. How does that sound? Sorry, bro. I start right now. Start tournament. You guys don't like me when I talk? I won't talk. Sorry, bro. Okay, we here, man. We here. Let me see what I see. If I win, I'll keep it all the accounts. That's what I'm about to say. If I win, bro, I'm keeping all the accounts. Man, I need this shit to work. Okay, I don't think I'm winning, bro. I don't, I don't think I'm winning. Ah, goddamn, bro. You get blessings. You will not win, bro. I'm not winning at all, bro. Damn, I don't even think I'm gonna be on the top 5. I'm gonna be at the bottom, bro. I used all my bars already. Bro, every time I try to win, all I see is consolidation. Why are we in this range? Thank you so much. Please continue. Why are you coming back down? Yeah, like keep going. Keep going. No, no, keep going. I don't even want to look, bro. Hello, how can I join the tournament? You are late, bro. You are late. You are late. Okay. No, this better fly. If this flies, I win. Easily, I win. Bro, it's coming down. Why is it coming down? No, yeah. No, no way. No way it's coming down. Mm-mm. I was up 4% on this trade. Now it's coming down. Really? Yeah, I'm not winning. I'm not winning, bro. What is going on? What is going on? Please, someone tell me. You need to know how to use it, bro. This is like a back testing. You don't know how to use Trading View. This is the same as Trading View. Okay, I'm staying in this trade, bro. 1 minute and a half left. Who is gonna win today? Who is winning today? We are gonna see very, very soon. Bro, I'm stuck in this trade. Is he gonna go break even? Is he really gonna go break even? I don't have any more bars. I'm closing right here. It is what it is. Okay. 50 seconds left. And I already see a few winners. Okay. I don't see any Trading View. What do you mean you don't see any Trading View? This is the same thing as Trading View. Just 6 trading. I'm first. Pixel Dash, you're first. What's your name? Is Emmanuel gonna win today? The platform is not working. I mean, it's working for everyone else, bro. So you gotta check that out, man. Ending? Okay, okay. Let me just double check because sometimes it doesn't load. So give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me take a picture of this. And now let me do this. Okay. Reloading the page, refreshing the page. Okay. We have Emmanuel won. I'm so happy Emmanuel won. Okay, we have we have the leaderboard. Who is nobody, bro? If you won already last week, you can win this week. So this is the top 3 right now. This is the top 3. So I guess you have 5K. You didn't. Emma, nobody won. Emma won. And Rada won. Who's Rada? Is that the first guy? Yes. Rada, nobody, Emma. Can you guys? Okay, nobody. Yo. Okay, nobody. Send your DM on Discord. What else? Who is Rada? Who is Rada? Who is Rada on Discord? Michelle, no, this was not a trial. This was the real war. Emmanuel. Emmanuel, send me a DM. It's not letting me DM you. Rada, are you on YouTube? Please, on YouTube, tell me your name on Discord. And Emmanuel, send me a DM, please, on Discord. Rada, where are you? Let's see who the top losses are. Damn, these are the top losses. D nice FX. It wasn't so nice today. Somebody said they were 5K up. Then, if you would have closed, you would have won. Yes, Rada, you're here on YouTube. Rada, what's your name on Discord? You have sent a request. Let's see. Pending Emma. Yes. Rada. Okay. That makes sense now. Just in case, because the name of Discord was different, so I was just trying to make sure nobody's catfishing. Cassava first. Okay, yeah. Cassava, send me a DM. Oh, that's a DM. Good. So we have the winners. Okay, guys, this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. It was pretty fun. I'm happy that we have new winners. We have Emmanuel. I know you've been here since day one. Came very close a few times, but never won. So congratulations to all the winners, and I'll see you guys next week. And as always, you guys can always DM me on Discord. Not DM me, but tag me, pin me on Community Lounge if you guys want to talk about gold, whatever, prop films. any advice. As always, you know, if you guys like my content, you guys can watch me on YouTube. My personal YouTube channel is Nosa FX. I post a lot of vlogs. One of my latest videos there is, I think it was like last week or 2 weeks ago, talking about how, you know, in October I had you know, a big payout of like 7,000. I made 15,000 last month. So yeah, I'm always there. I'm always active. So thank you guys for participating and watching, and I see you guys